while our gelatin and lemon mixture is cooling, we're going to prepare our serving dishes. This recipe yields 4 quarts. I'm going to be serving it in a trifle dish. This is a 4-quart trifle dish. It might be nice to do it in a 3-quart trifle dish if you can get it, and the lemon mousse will come up over the edge. But this is what I have. So the first thing to do is to take a piece of foil and see that it wraps all the way around. And you can cut it there and then fold it in half, like so. Now you want to tape that around the edge. Now this is so that if the mousse comes up above the edge of the dish, that there's something there to hold it in. Just secure that with a piece of tape. And then what you can do is just crimp that foil in about a ½ inch all the way around. And if the mousse comes up above the edge of the trifle, then you'll get this nice wall of mousse coming above the top of the trifle dish. And the crinkling is a nice effect on the side. So that's the trifle dish.